Hello and welcome to my channel Kalushona with a new recipe. It's a very easy and quick recipe. It is sweet and sour prawn or shrimp as we call it, or chingri mach in Bengali, with raw mangoes. I have sourced the raw mangoes from my garden. You have to peel the raw mangoes and take all the skin off, and no green skin should remain attached to the mango because it will taste bitter otherwise. And we require all these things: the sugar, prawns marinated with salt and turmeric after deveining and cleaning them, and the mango cut into pieces like this, marinated with salt and turmeric. So basically, we are using two ingredients: mango, raw mango, and shrimps. Both are marinated with salt and turmeric. First, we are heating some mustard oil in a wok and just frying lightly the shrimps or the prawns. You do not fry prawns in anything, in any recipe, to make them brown or dark red, because otherwise the prawn won't absorb the juice of the gravy or the gravy of the recipe. So what we do is we just lightly fry the prawn till the color changes lightly. Because it is marinated with turmeric, the color will change very quickly, and take it off. Now look, I am not cleaning the wok. I am keeping the wok as it is. That is, the fried oil is still there. I am adding very little oil because it's already sticking. And now I have to temper this oil with black mustard seeds and dry red chili. You can see the dry red chili, two pieces, and a few mustard seeds. I have taken the black variety. You might as well use the white variety, or we call it rai shorshe. So this is the black one. The white one will also do. Now the marinated mango, raw mangoes pieces goes into the wok. You just fry the raw mango pieces in the tempered oil to give them the flavor of the oil a few seconds, around 30 seconds. You can see I'm just turning the mango pieces over to mix them well with oil. I'm keeping it for 30 seconds, and after that I'm adding hot water. Please be sure that the hot water is added and not the normal temperature water, because hot water helps in quickly absorbing all the flavors and the juice of the recipe. So I'm adding hot water and allowing the mangoes to boil in it so that the mangoes will become soft and incorporate their flavor into the gravy. So this is what happens when I take off the lid. The mangoes are boiling in the hot fluid, and you can see how well they're boiling, and I'm checking with the spatula how much they are softened. So you have to check for the mango softening till the mangoes are medium soft. Do not make the mangoes absolutely soft, otherwise they'll just melt away inside the gravy and make the gravy thick. We don't want the thick gravy. We want a clear gravy. That is why we ensure that the mangoes are soft but not melting. Then we add the marinated and fried shrimps or prawns. So after adding the prawns and shrimps, you go in to add some sugar. The amount of sugar varies according to the sourness of the mangoes. If your mango is extremely sour, you need more sugar. If they are not so sour, you need lesser sugar. The sugar and the salt should be very accurately balanced in this recipe. The only thing here matters is how much sugar and how much salt there is inside the recipe, because the two basic ingredients, the raw mangoes and the shrimp, both are unique in their own flavor. So what we do is allow the shrimps and the mangoes to boil inside the sugar syrup, and sugar syrup has salt in it also. So after boiling, the volume of the syrup will reduce, and after the volume of the gravy reduces, then your cooking is finished. Now look here, the gravy is very clear and it is fluid. We do not want a thick gravy. It is a thin fluid gravy that we need for tok or ombol, as we call it in Bengali. So this recipe is a unique recipe done in the summer months because of the availability of the raw mangoes. If you like my recipe, please do share, subscribe.